Bird need a plan to save her party. She flew back to the pond. Meanwhile, Kip makes cupcake batter. He poured it into a pan. He put the pan in the oven.
Okay,
Said Kip.
I need party games.
Kip looked all over, but he couldn't find any party games. Said Kip.
I also need decorations.
Kip looked all over, but he couldn't find any decorations. Just then, he smelled something. It smelled like
Burnt cupcakes. Oh well,
said Kip.
my party will still be fun. At least my friend will be there.
Kip went to the giant rock, but nobody was there.
Oh no,
Cried Kip.
I forgot to invite everyone. My party has no cupcakes.
Said Kip.
It has no party games. It has no decorations. And it has no friends.